thanks for joining me today. I want to show you some techniques I use to paste formulas as values in Excel. I have 5 products here and their sales for 2019 financial year. I've used formulas to estimate the sales for 2020. Let's take a look. The goal is to copy 2020 numbers here. Now, if I simply copy Ctrl C and paste Ctrl V, it will only copy formulas unless I click on the control options and select paste as values. Let me show you the 3 ways I typically paste as values. I'll delete this. The first is the keyboard shortcut Alt ESV. This is a popular one, and all you have to do is copy the data, click the destination cell, and press the Alt, then E, then S, then V. V selects the value option. There you go. Next is right mouse click and V. Copy the data, right mouse click on the destination cell, and then press V. The keyboard shortcut for right click on Windows is Shift and F10. Alternatively, you can use the menu key if you have it on your keyboard, which looks like this. And it's basically like a right mouse click. Next is right mouse click and drag. Highlight the data, click on any edge while holding the right mouse, and drag to the destination cell. Let go of the mouse and select copy here as values only. There you go. You can also use this for the source data. If you don't want the formulas anymore, simply highlight the data, right mouse click on any edge, drag towards any direction, and back on the data. Let go of the mouse and select copy here as values only. There you go. Let me know in the comments if you use any other technique to paste as values. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe, share, and hit the like button below.